Hello and welcome back to a workflow tips video. Yay! This is like not the norm for me, but it's important, which is basically the tip is to take a break. You know, you can't work 24/7. It wears you out mentally and sometimes physically. You know, you don't want to get like sprained wrist or carpal tunnel or whatever from drawing 24/7. It's just not a good idea. So it's important to take a break. And what I do is I play video games. Particularly this one just because it's on the PC, so I can, work on something, save it, take a break, go to the game, then go right back to working if I want to. So I figured I'd just kind of share my game with you. This is not going to be a normal thing. This is the only time. And the only thing that sucks about taking a break, especially with playing online games, is lag, which I don't know if you can tell in this footage or not, but I did experience quite a bit of lag fighting this guy. I'm not sure if it was just because I was recording while trying to beat him up, but yeah. So, even if you don't like games like this, because another downfall about playing games like this is they can be a little frustrating, which can kind of kill your creative mood or your mood in general. But if you do like challenging games, then this would be a good idea. Like to play something, that isn't chill or whatever, which there is no problem playing games that are chill or relaxing or don't require a lot of thought or quick reflexes or button mashing or anything like that. Just play whatever. Or if you don't want to play games, you can read, you can do whatever. And here I'm speeding up the footage because I don't think you want to watch me try and beat up this monster for 3 minutes. Because I don't. I already experienced it. So, that's that. Yeah, so if you don't want to play games, you can read, you can write, you can cook. Cool like that, I like this sound right here. I sound like a squeaky little mouse there. I don't know why.
Looking for something special?
And here, introduce something new to the game, which is fishing, which I was really ecstatic about because, like I was saying, if you don't want to do something that requires a lot of thought or intense game playing, a relaxing game is perfect, or anything relaxing. Like I said, writing, reading, cooking, going for a walk, taking a nap, watching a movie or a TV series, whatever. But I like fishing games, and I think it's really easy in this one. It's not like impossible to get a fish or to start fishing or anything like that. And it's really nice. I get the chance to like look around and see all the cool atmospheric stuff, like those giant fish in the water. Like that's just kind of one of the reasons I like this game, and I kind of hope that one day we can swim under the water and not just at the surface, because to swim near those things would just be really cool. I know that sounds weird, but it's just, they put a lot of work into this, and I really enjoy the atmospheric stuff and the environments, and here's me catching my first fish. I was so excited. So excited I didn't even read the directions on how to do it, so I didn't even see the press F to get the fish. And I struggled clicking. I'm like, well, I guess I'm getting something. So, yeah. My problem in this game is there's a lot of dialogue, and I have a tendency to skip through it all, which is really not good, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm still getting over whatever cold or allergies or whatever it is I had, so I apologize for that. Yeah, and then I'm just looking around, enjoying the views. So yeah, I guess I'll just leave it running like this for a minute. You can enjoy the constant movements of me being bored for a half a second till I get my fish. Drinking coffee too. This is like really chill. I'm like drinking coffee and watching fishing. Very I don't know what you call it. I feel like it's a stereotype. You wake up in the morning, get a cup of coffee, and watch the fish, you know? And then you get murdered by, you know, some crazy monster guy. You know, like in a horror movie. Perfect setup. I also have a tendency to try and like mess with how things are coded. This is gonna sound really stupid, but in my mind, everything that you do in the game is coded for a specific RNG. So, or it's set up for something, right? So I'm like, oh, if I just move at my spot every so often, I can play against whatever nonsense RNG is there, and I can get something good. And it really doesn't work out like that. Like, that's just silly.
Are you wounded?
I mean, that's
looking for something special?
It's just dumb.
You seem troubled.
This is kind of where I realized that this fishing quest that I decided to do was a lot more tedious than I thought it would be. Which isn't a bad thing, but it definitely did not make for a very good idea to put in this video. I was like, oh yeah, I'll just fish for a little bit and
busy here.
that'll be my video. And then I got here, I was like, oh shit, this is not great. So enjoy the speeding upness of my fishing. Because I realized I picked the wrong quest to share with you guys, but that's fine. It's just fun. And this video, it's not that long, and I don't know. Figure you can watch me struggle too. And here I'm struggling because I don't know how to make fish fillets. And you want to know why I don't know how to make fish fillets? Because I didn't read what the guy said for the NPC. Because I don't read directions. And look at my cat. It's so cute. It's a sushi cat. I worked my ass off to get that cat during like this event thing. I killed my wrist. I mean, it was very painful. But I got it. I got that lucky cat. The only downfall is it cannot fly. But that's okay. I love that anyway. I used to have a car, but something happened. They had to remove it. So I'm guessing that there was some weird legal thing that happened. Here's me catching fish with some random people who look like they're AFK, because the one on the right never seems to stop struggling to get a fish. The nice thing is, if you do go AFK for a couple minutes, that fish stays on your line for 3 minutes at a time. So I think, oh well, I start fishing, I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee and check the mail. You can do that without missing the fish, which I think is a really neat idea. There have been some changes in the game that have been not so great, but lately I've been happy with the changes they have made. So, right now here is where I suck it up, and I ask the very scary chat how to make a fish fillet. Because of my stupidity and my impatience. And this is just the crafting screen to make stuff. Is it a fish fillet? Yeah, it's a fish fillet. And a clownfish too. Look at those little clownfish. Oh wait, I haven't asked yet. I'm sorry. I'll ask in a minute. Because I think at this point I thought maybe I didn't have the right fish to make a fish fillet. Which would have sucked if they did do that. But they didn't. And some random person appeared next to me. Reading a potion of space. There we go. No, I asked. And I thought nobody was going to answer me because it was a stupid question. At least in my mind, like, that happens. I'm like, what is this? And then nobody will respond. It's just the stupidest thing ever. Like, why don't you just Google it, or you should have read the directions. But this person, the Russian saved me. Okay, they're Russians. And then yeah. And then from here on it was smooth sailing for crafting. So I can take all these little fish and I can harvest them for fish fillets. I also think it's funny how the clownfish like little icon is the same for the angelfish, and they in reality they look nothing alike. But that's fine. Like, it's just funny. I mean, it's a fantasy game, who cares? But it is pretty funny to me. So, yeah. Man, just gonna keep fishing. It's nice. You're at the beach. You have beach sounds and nice like calming waves. Hear the sand. Hear the creak of the boat. Kind of puts you to sleep. So I might struggle with that as I finish this quest. Because I like to play it because it's got more fast-paced action, and it like makes you feel like a badass. I got this character leveled up to, it's called Apex, and it's like a more powerful version because they're making some updates to the game for future levels, and I have some really super cool, easy, amazing moves that I can do now. I don't know. I didn't even know I was doing the Apex quest until like at the very end. I was like, oh, I'm getting some new skills. Well, I guess I'm doing the Apex quest. I didn't even know I was eligible for it. That's just my game style, or my gameplay style. That's just how I play games now. So, yeah. So if you ever want a chill game, this is not the game to play. I would recommend Stardew Valley for chill. Yeah. I'm not doing like a chill, like I don't know. Like maybe a weekly thing or bi-weekly where I take a break and just do something stupid like this and post that. Just to reiterate the importance of taking breaks, and hopefully that would like influence people to take breaks themselves. Like, oh, well, this person obviously takes a break. They're not working 24/7, because a lot of times, you know, you don't get to see artists do that. You know, you don't see them taking breaks. You just see them, oh, well, I'm gonna draw a little bit, and here's a live stream. It gives the impression that they're working when they're not. So, yeah. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.